What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $333 plus watching YouTube videos online. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every new 1,000 subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So it'd be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this new method. Now, I just want to say one more thing before I show you this method. Please follow me on Instagram. It's at AppGrind. You know, if you want to have any questions about any of my videos, you can also DM me. And also over there, I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers. Once I get to 1,000 followers, I'm going to do a giveaway over there. So follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to type that code word that pops up in this video. So watch this video all the way through and look out for that code word and type it down in the comments below. That's going to help you get a chance to win this free money once I hit 5,000 subscribers. All right, without further ado, let me go ahead and go to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, family, I'm at this website. And the name of this website is Follow Fast. So on this website, you want to make some money just watching videos. So let me show you how it works. So you're going to join Follow Fast. It's free to join. You're going to view pages and you're going to earn points. And also you can use points to advertise if you like. But I know you want to use points to turn those points into money. So let me show you how this works. So I'm inside my account right now. And what you're going to do, see at the top, you have Facebook. So you can go and check out Facebook, and you can earn points by viewing those pages and photos. And then you can go to YouTube. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Go to YouTube and you can earn points for plays, likes, dislikes, and subs. And also for Instagram, you get points for liking a post and following somebody. Twitter, same thing. Follow somebody, get points. Tweet, likes, retweets. And Pinterest. And also Alexa. So it got many different platforms you can go to and earn points and make some money. Now I want to show you something right quick, show you how this works. So let's go ahead and go to YouTube where it says plays. I'm going to click that. It's going to show this page here. And as you can see here, you're going to be earning coins, points, same thing. So click on the play button, watch a video on YouTube for 35 seconds and you're going to earn points. So let's go ahead and click on here where it says play. It's going to take a few seconds and boom, there you go. The YouTube video has popped up. So you just want to stay on here for 35 seconds. So you don't have to watch it long. And let me show you. I'm going to go back and show you. They count down for you. So as you can see right here, you will earn points in 23 seconds. So you're going to earn points in matter of fact, 18. So I'm going to fast forward this. And when I come back, it's going to be finished. Okay, now it's finished. So now you've earned 8 points. So as you can see, it pops up right up here. I had 9, now I have 17. So you can also get paid for likes. You just have to like a video and you're going to get points. Dislike, and also if you be a subscriber to those videos that pop up. Now, once you get the points, you can cash this in for PayPal and all different type of payment platforms. So let me show you that. Let's go down here where it says payouts. So here you go. So as you can see, this person from the United States, they earned $3 and they got paid out through Perfect Money, and they got paid today. So you can get a low amount. You can accumulate a low amount of points or money and you can cash out right away, guys. You don't have to wait weeks or days or months. Now this one, I don't know what country this is, but this is all around. Okay, here we go, Morocco. This person earned $3 and they paid it out through PayPal. And this one right here, let's see, what's this one says right here? Bangladesh, they paid out $1.56 through Perfect Money. And this one right here, Venezuela, $1.50 through PayPal. So guys, I know you guys been asking, is this app worldwide? Is this site worldwide? Now I'm showing you right now, this site right here is worldwide. So you can come on this site right now, sign up, start watching videos, and you can be from anywhere around the world and get paid fast, guys. So that's how it works. Straightforward. And again, if you want to do any of these other platforms and get paid, you can. That'll earn you much, much more money. So you can easily make $200 to $300 plus. I mean, you're going to have to do a little work and watch videos, but all it takes is 35 seconds for each video to watch. Or you can come and like a video. That don't take but a second or two. Dislike a video, and you're going to keep earning points, guys. So that's it. That's all to this method. So if you're ready to go ahead and make money watching videos, go ahead and go to followfast.com. All right, guys. Thanks. That's it. I'm finished. But before you click away, please don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And also, don't forget to type that code word when it flashes across the screen down in the comments. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, one more announcement before I go. I have a podcast show. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. On that podcast, each week I talk about tips, strategies, habits that you can use on a daily basis to increase your business and also increase your life, become a better person. So go check out my podcast. I also do interviews on there. So I'm going to be interviewing some very successful people in YouTube and e-commerce, in all different fields. So it's going to be beneficial for you to check out that podcast. So again, it's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. The link to the podcast will be in the description and in the comments. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks again for your support. Guys, help me get to 5,000 subscribers, because the prizes and the giveaways are going to get better and better as I grow and grow. And again, this channel is for you guys. We're a family, so let's grow as a family and become the best money-making YouTube channel on YouTube. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind.